Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to uMkosinaphili. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much. Ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe to the channel. Mangaba subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. And yeah, man, you guys, thank you very much for coming. So now, ngizon update ngodaba lika baba uMseleku. I remember I did a video lapho ngikhuluma khona ngokuthi ekuthiwa ubaba uMseleku yongenisa esbhedlela washaya stroke, kungathi ubeshaya stroke or something like that. Isifo sohlangothi like babebhalile kwathiwa hayi ngakho engathi akabonakala kuthiwa ke namakhosikazi wakhe abonakala kuthulekile yonke indawo noma usuthi sekuthiwa bayafonelwa nje abatholakali. Istory sasibhale kanjalo ke bafowethu lapha ngaze nganifundela sona kwathiwa ke yingoba mhlawumbe kuthiwe ke lolu daba lokugula kwabo uMseleku bangalikhulumi lushayelwe phansi something like that. Ngaze ngathi angibablame inkosi yami ngoba vele mangabe ugulelwa ngumuntu ngeke uhambe ukukhuluma nje lana ngaphandle uthi no nginakekela ubaba kwami uyagula into kanjalo bafowethu. So I was like, I think for me there is no problem of mangabe mhlamba bafuna ukushare lolo daba ukuthi bayagulelwa. So yeah man, so namhlanje ke ngibona lapha nakazi moja kune story abasibhalile futhi ngoba uMseleku kungase ngicabanga ngcono ni update because sakhuluma ukuthi kuthiwa ubevalelwa esbhedlela bengathi ushaya isifo sohlangothi ngathi sephumile kwathiwa nako befaka nezibuko lana ngathi affectekile kancane emehlweni into right. So kulesi sanamhlanje bathi polygamist uMseleku refuse those reports that he suffered a stroke. Ngathi baba uMseleku ukuthi hayibo ukuthi ngiyagula yena seyiphuma happy ngoba angazi bafethu kunokuthi sometimes noma izinto ziyiqiniso ne when they come out they come to say no, that was a lie. I guess just nje, you know, to do damage control. But sometimes usuke ziyiqiniso besenzela lokho nje, but sometimes usuke zingamanga. So angazi bafethu on this particular story ngathi akavumanga baba uMseleku ukuthi kuthiwa yena ubegula uthi hayi ngeke. So bathe ngizosifunda ngesingisi, right? But a polygamist and reality star uMseleku has refuted those reports that he suffered a stroke. This comes after the reports that he spent some time in hospital after the alleged stroke. He told uMusa that he was at home and there was nothing wrong with him. Uthebe ngisekhaya nje mina akuzange kwaba khona ukugula, akuzange kube lutho, sengibona ngezindaba ziphuma kuthiwa ke mina ngathi bengishawe istroke. So now kuthiwa ke uthema ikhuluma noZimoja baba uMseleku kuthena, I don't understand where these rumors are coming from. What is said is that people are spreading them. Although he refused to comment further, he assured uZimoja ke ukuthi yena there was nothing wrong with him. What yena, I'm fine and I'm at home. People must stop spreading all these lies. Last week, social media was a buzz after the report started circulating that Mseleku's hospitalization was kept under wraps by his family, who have refrained from sharing details with the media. Now, so ongathi kuthiwa ke hayi abayivumile ukuthi baba uMseleku ugulile wangena esbhedlela. So ngazi bafethu ngithi ngini update ngoba kubalekile ukuthi ngini update mangabe siyenza story esithile mangabe kukhona okuvelayo ngaso siphinde sibuye sizothi you know what, this is what is happening. But sebekhuluma ke lapha ngodaba futhi yakhumbula luka baba bathi baningcebeshe ngeke ngayenza nakhona istory kuthiwa ke baba uMseleku kuthiwa kunobhuda bathi ngoMusa ngcebeshe something like that. Uyewaza wathi ukolodwa waba uMseleku imali engango 200,000 rand yena ke no baba uGumede ngibona bamsiza ukuthi aqala uthando nesithembu. Nakhumbula leyo video mungazange uyibuke ihambo uyibuke khona la kule channel. Ne video yalo yabhuti ingcebeshe waye kwenye i-podcast echaza ngendlela asuka khona phansi nobaba uMseleku wamsiza uthema esemsizile ke wasemshiya ke esidini esiqala ke manje ukuthola amagig mhlawumbe kwaze kwakhulunywa bakhuluma ngani ngoMnet something like that. Ngathi wayeqala ukuthola ke umsebenzi kungathi into zihamba kahle, waqala ukungafuni ke ukusebenza nabo wabashiya ngaphandle, wavalela ngaphandle engabakhokhelanga nokubakhokhela. I think I did that video ikhona. So but it seems like health issues are not the only concerns following the popular reality star. Earlier this month, Mseleku was accused of owing a staggering 200,000 rands to former collaborators uZakhele Gumede and Musa Ngcebeshe. The pair claimed that they were instrumental in helping Mseleku establish his production company and develop uthando nesithembu's brand. Now, despite their contributions, they allege that they have not received compensation for their efforts. Mseleku refused to comment on ngolo daba lwemali mabesho. Khumbula uMusa Ngcebeshe wabuye wathi ubaba uMseleku yabakolota washera ku podcast kwaze kwathiwa naye lo munye othi bakolotwa bonke naye wavuma wathi lezi ndaba ezikhulunywa ngoMusa I think nguNtsebeshi. I can't pronounce this one. nguNtsebeshi. Let me see again. Musa Ntsebeshi ngoba it's a TSE. I think nguNtsebeshi. Mina ngithi Ntsebeshi. Angazi ngivele ngizikhulumela kwami ngiyaxolisa kakhulu bafethu. Isona ke story sika baba uMusa Mseleku bafethu asazi ukuthi bagcina benze njani nabo uMusa Ntsebeshi, like I couldn't pronounce his surname, something like that. Yeah, man, I thought meaning the update you guys when it comes to ukudaba ka baba uMusa Mseleku ukuthi yena akazange agule futhi akazi ukuthi nje kukhulunywa ngani makuthiwa yini walala esbhedlela. But what I've realized ukuthi ezinye indaba nimaziphumile ziyiqiniso banokuthanda ukuthi babuye bezothi lo daba lunje lungamanga noma lungazange lube ngamanga beluyiqiniso ngempela ke kodwa kusalayo mangabe net akazange agule inkosi yami mhlambe akazange agule. So he came out and rubbish those allegations baba uMusa Mseleku wathi yena akazange story sibhalwe laphana ke ka Zimoja by uthi athi the polygamist uMusa Mseleku refused those reports that he was hit by a stroke. Uthena he is not sick. That's what baba uMusa Mseleku is come to say bafethu. Futhi akazange agule mhlawumbe bezikhona izinto bezomxakile like omunye nomunye umndeni you guys kuba ziba khona inkinga nawo ukuthi inyanya ukungabonakali because you've got problems. Mhlawumbe naye bekungezinye inkinga ke ngaphandle kokugula. I thought I should update you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching this particular video. Like it, subscribe, share ke sobonana futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.